Real education is making you as a leader to fulfill your dreams. And I tell you, when you stand up like this, you will also be compassionate and considerate. When people come and work under you, you will make sure that they also become leaders. Let you become a leader producing leader. That can be a business. It will always be win-win. Do not work under somebody for stupid matrix money. It is too cheap to be paid with a life. Matrix money is too cheap to be paid by life.
Tatpurusha.
Thank
How
you.
many of you understand? Now you finish your questions, that's all?
No, Swami, just that small thing.
Go ahead. Ask.
Actually, 1 month, April, my boss had cut the salary. And I was like, I had lived with the 4 tattvas. How can this happen to me? And I went into deep questioning. And that day night when I slept, probably at 10:30 or so, I just slept with that questioning. But I got up at 11:30. But within that 1 hour, I got the entire visualization of what happened in that room. The entire I do not know where I was, but I watched the whole thing in as a color picture, a color scene it was going.
The information was revealed to you.
And at 11:30,
The power of the tattvas.
that's what's up. That day night, 11:30, I jumped up to the bed and I was like, I was so happy I lived with that tattva. Thank you very much,
Blessings.
Swamiji.
See, even your relationship between you and your client should be enriching. You and your customers should be enriching. Do not have a boss. Next.
Tatpurusha.
Tatpurusha. Go ahead.
Swamiji, I'm new to puja and you explained that it is very important, but I seem to have a huge, inner panic there. I remembered when I did the puja for the first or second time that when I was 4-year-old, I touched a brass metal for the first time. I hated the smell that it left on my skin and the stains. And so I now thought that maybe it's a past life kind of thing, why I dislike puja and Rudra Abhishekam, and admit I'm afraid. And
what I'm saying, somehow you managed already Sadashivaham. You already finished now, only a few more days. So after this long puja will not be there. It will only 7 minutes. So that 7 minutes, get comfortable by doing maybe spread over 20 minutes. Slowly, one by one. And I tell you, I always had the uncomfortable feeling when I started using this iPad. In 2-3 days, once I am comfortable, I know how much it is useful for my mission. Same way, first few days, but pick it up, then you will understand that 7 minutes will be the best time of your day. You will be looking for it because in one alignment, a certain alignment will happen in that 7 minutes. That alignment will be giving you such kick. Every day you will be waiting for that kick.
I'm looking forward to this. So in case there
Give
is
me a few minutes, a few days. I commit with you, I'll give you that kick.
Okay.
And also I give you the commitment, any mistake you do will be forgiven. You don't have to worry about it.
Thank you. Wow.
I give you a complete commitment.
Wow.
You will only receive good, you will not receive anything bad. Do it on
Wow.
your own. Your own pace, but don't miss it, that's all.
Yeah. Oh, that fixes my fear.
No,
Yeah.
don't miss.
Yeah.
But do it on your own pace. I commit with you, you will only have good.
Yeah. May I also make a suggestion maybe, because I observed that being in time to puja is a kind of a bottleneck problem. And there's the things we need for the puja, they are all put together in one tiny space, and now thousands.
All right, I'll tell them to put it in many counters.
Yes, please.
I'll tell them to put it in many counters.
Thank you very much.
That can be solved immediately.
Thank you.
Ma, just tell them.
Satyajata
Tatpurusha.
Swamiji.
Goal.
Satyojata.
Yeah.
That's the word first I heard.
Dear Swamiji, yeah, first of all, I'd like to thank you for all your miracles to get me here. And my question is, what is the difference between depth, feeling connection, and Advaita?
I should say, all three are one and the same. Depth is the way you start. When it becomes right depth, it becomes feeling connection. When it becomes the best depth, it becomes Advaita.
Okay. And one thing, like one thing you can tell me, like what I can do for feeling connection with you, like
Have you had my hug in the energy darshan?
yeah.
That few seconds, you will just forget you. Something will fill you.
yes.
Just remember that. That's all.
And Swamiji, in Kumbh Mela, you said you'll come in your dreams, but I didn't see you in Kumbh Mela.
I'll come now. Don't
Yeah.
worry.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Goal,
Swamiji.
Swamiji. Goal.
Tatpurusha.
Satyogadacha.
Vamadeva. Tatpurusha.
Vamadeva is the first word I heard.
Okay, I'm kind of scared to ask you this, but when you were talking about, you said that some people will see you in a video only one time, and that will be enough for their...
No, I did not say that will be enough. Their life will be made. That does not mean that is enough. They will again and again be watching. Means from that time, after that, your whole life will be watching my videos. You gave a wrong meaning. When I said even once watching their life will be made, does not mean they will not watch second time.
I guess I think I'm just shocked that I saw one video. When you said it, I realized that that's what happened. I saw one video and I don't know why. I don't know what happened. I don't know really why I'm here. And
But you know you are here.
yeah.
That's enough. Enjoy.
A goal, Swamiji.
Tatpurusha.
Satyogadacha.
Tatpurusha.
Satyogadacha.
Tatpurusha.
Tatpurusha is the word I heard first.
Swamiji, in September, I did completion, and you said that in Sadashivoham, you will do surgery for completion. I need your help with my incompletion.
I'll do it.
I'm not that strong enough
No,
to
don't
do
worry,
it.
I'll do it. I'll really do it.
I also have another question. I went to Akashic reading and I asked about the business, and they told me that I will be happy at a company, but I want to have my own business. So
All
can you-
right. So bring it in the energy session, I'll answer.
Thank you very much, Swamiji, for everything.
Yes. Now it is time.
Satyogadacha.
I think it is time. I'm seeing so many people already sleeping. Let's leave people to go and have their dinner. And I know it is too early for us to end the program. No, this is not the time. This is not like Dhyanapeetam. 11:25 only. Actually, now our third day starts only now. See, our day 1 starts at 4:30. Day 2 starts around 12:30. Day 3 starts around 11:30. Listen. I also want to tell you, I really want you all to do the morning Rudrabhishekam very sincerely. Even if you have missed last few days, please, next 5 days, let us do it and bring integrity to it. Because it does a real strong connection. You see, that Shivalinga which is there in front of you is equivalent to 100 spiritual alchemy product. You are literally entangling with Sadashiva. Why so many Shivalingas, you know? This main Ananda Lingam is energized. This each linga is like entanglement with that main linga. So that is the only reason I wanted you guys to go a little early and sleep, rest. Please come back on time, fresh, fully alive. You are going to meet your life's beloved. Will you come tired? One eye, Come on, Sadashiva, source of your life. You are going to have personal time with him. So, I really wanted all of you to take it up sincerely. Only few more days. And the next few days, the whole program I am taking it to the next level. It is all about now manifesting powers. Not only that, you say, all I need to do is, I have to occupy 51% of you. That's all. After that, wherever you go, you can't take over me. You will be out of matrix. So this filling you with Sadashiva more than 51% is what I am going to do in this next 5 days. So have your dinner, sleep well for few hours, that is enough. And be here for tomorrow Rudrabhishekam. I think all that is an integrity to me. I am seeing so many people walking out during the class session. See, I myself do not feel hurt, but it is a disrespect. Anyhow, just make sure you are here tomorrow for Rudrabhishekam, fresh, alive, up, ready, and with integrity you connect. Let's gather for next session. Thank you. Be blissful.
जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं। जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। नित्यमुक्तं निर्विकल्पं ध्यानलोकप्रदीपकं वन्दे शान्तमयं बन्धं नित्यानन्द